Hey guys, it's Liv and welcome back to another video. Today's Vlogmas day number 2. I'm whispering right now because Corpo is asleep, so I don't want to wake him up. I've probably already woken him up with my talking. But I just wanted to film today, well this morning, while I'm getting ready. I know this is Vlogmas and it's supposed to be like happy, and it is going to be happy, but I just kind of wanted to talk to you guys really quickly about my body image. And this is not like a woe is me moment. And I'm not like saying this to ask for sympathy or anything, but I just want to talk to you guys about this because it's like really heavily weighing on my mind. And yeah, you guys are here for the whole month, right? So I just wanted to fill you guys in. So obviously if you guys watched my weekly vlogs last year, you would know that I lost like 10 kilos or something, around 10, between like 8 and 10 kilos. Actually probably between 10 and 12 kilos depending on when you're counting my starting weight is. And now I'm back up to almost the weight that I was when I first started. Not like the highest weight that I was, but like the weight that I kind of like was chilling around. And like people talk a lot about like natural weight and everything, and I know that was not my natural weight because I used to eat, well I'm back here now, but I just eat so much crap, and that's not my natural weight. Like if it was my natural weight, I'd be that weight when I ate healthy or healthier, and I wasn't. I was like way lighter, like 10 kilos lighter. So last time I weighed myself, it was after a big weekend, so how much of it is water weight, I don't know. I was like 66. Like I said, I'm going to start weighing myself on Wednesdays. The reason why I do Wednesdays is because it's like midweek, and I feel like that's a more accurate representation of how much you weigh as opposed to weighing yourself on a Monday after the weekend. If you have like a big weekend, aka me, I would just be, it would not, the results will be skewed, you know. I'll tell you guys properly on Wednesday. I'll measure myself for you guys and everything, but what I was trying to say is I've put on like at the absolute least like 6 kilos from my weight at the start of this year, because the start of this year I think I was like up in the 60s again, just because I had been like trying to put on muscle and like not being as strict, which I actually preferred that weight on me, like how I was at the start of this year, or like early this year. Anyway, so I've just like the definition, I hate this saying this, but I've seriously like let myself go. The second half of this year I'd been really focused on work, which is fine, and also like just out of routine, as I mentioned yesterday. But like I was editing yesterday's vlog and I was like looking at myself, and I feel like my face is as big as it was, and now that's all I can see when I look in the mirror. And I'm not normally this person that's like really self-conscious, and I wasn't even when I was before I lost weight last year or the year before, but I just like look in the mirror and I just see like, so I'm just letting you guys know I'm feeling really self-conscious at the moment, and it's really hard because like, you know, you can start the healthy journey or whatever, but you have to like look this way for like a couple of weeks before you start seeing results, and then when you start seeing results it's really motivating, but it's like the getting started part is really hard. So I'm glad that I'm here with you guys, although as I said, this is a happy series and it is going to be more about like the ups. I just wanted to tell you about like the dump that I'm down in the dumps right now. The immediate things I'm going to change like from today on, when I'm starting intermittent fasting again. I don't love intermittent fasting long term, but for this month I'm going to try it just to get back into control of my eating, because I felt really out of control. I want to get intermittent fast for a while, and then I also in a couple of weeks, this week hopefully, this morning I have a headache so I didn't make it. I want to start going back to the gym because that will really help as well. So those are my 2 goals for the start of this. I'm not going to cut out foods. I'm obviously going to track my intake. I'm going to use my fitness pal. I'm thinking I might eat 1850 calories because I have a very active lifestyle at work. So I'll start with that, see if I lose any weight, and if not, I'll lower it. I don't really want to lower it, but we'll see. So yeah, that's kind of where I'm at, how I'm feeling. I'm sorry to like be Debbie Downer in episode 2, but I do just need to be honest with you guys because it is weighing on my mind quite a lot. And like I said before, I'm not saying this so that you guys like feel bad or anything, because you know, I don't believe this for all weight gain, but what I'm about to say, but I know for mine, I did this to myself. Like I just went ham with eating food and not exercising. Like I genuinely did do this to myself, my own personal weight gain, but we'll see where we're at when we weigh ourselves. Hey guys, so it's the afternoon. Just got home from, well, I didn't just get home from work, I always say that, just got home from work. Got home from work like an hour and a half ago. Corporate and I just went to the supermarket, just got stuff for dinner tonight, and then we might do like an online shopping order for tomorrow and decide what we want for the whole week. But we just got some chicken and we have some potatoes left, so we're just going to make those creamy potatoes again that we had while our friend was here. I'll show you guys the recipe. It's really, really good. They probably won't be as good as his because he's like, you know, like god tier chef status, but I'll just have like a small portion of it because it obviously is like cream and potatoes, so it's like death in a pan, pot, dish, whatever. But I do have one more donut to eat with you guys. The Christmas tree one is average, do not get it. It's just like a plain donut with like icing on top. Wouldn't rate it. But we have the little reindeer. Ooh. There's also the Christmas pudding one, which I never got because it's chocolate pretzel, so good. My hair looks really oily, but it's not. I think it might be something to do with my regrowth. Well, it was always a balayage, but it's way more grown out. I am going to hopefully get my hair done this week, but what I was trying to say is there is another Christmas donut. It's like a Christmas pudding one, but it's got cherry and I'm like not into cherry, so yeah. All right, let's try this bad boy. I think it's supposed to be caramel. It's good. It's not like phenomenal, but it's good. I'm just going to enjoy this. I successfully fasted till lunchtime, had my leftovers, which is just like, I can't remember if I said it was like pasta with cheese sauce, and then I got home, just had a couple of corn chips and a little bit of sour cream because I bought some to eat leftover nacho mince and stuff with. I might make nachos for the rest of the week or something, might get some chicken, because it's like relatively low calorie the way that I cook it, and it's pretty yum, so yeah. And now I'm having this donut, and then I'll have dinner and maybe like a couple of marshmallows. We'll see how I feel. Seems like a lot of food, but it's kind of not. Probably is more than I will eat in the weeks to come, but like I don't want to waste food. Like I don't want to waste the potatoes that we have, and I wasn't going to waste that cheese sauce because it was freaking mint. And then obviously I already bought this donut, which I knew I was going to buy, but yeah, I'm feeling pretty good. I completely forgot to vlog the first part, but I have the potatoes in there. It's basically just 5 potatoes because we had heaps of potatoes, cut up into small little cubes with like 2 cups of milk, garlic, salt and pepper. That's it. I'm just about to cut up the chicken. I mean, that's not very exciting. I'm cutting up chicken and then I'm just going to coat it in. Let me show you. I'll show you once I've crumbed it because it's like ugly. Chicken's gross. I think this might be good still, so some coat and cook and just panko, and I'll just do a spice mix. I'll tell you what I do once I'm done. These look so sad, but these are the little chicken nougats. That goes a long way. Like, there's a million here. And I'm just gonna go grab this out of the oven and I'll show you an up close of like the cheese bubble because it's so satisfying. Isn't that just something else? I wish I like had an ASMR thing, like an ASMR mic so you could hear it, but oh yeah, that's the stuff. Oh my god, this smells so good. It's definitely more like creamier than Joel's. Like it's kind of going everywhere, but I almost should have put it in like a little bowl, I think. So this is my dinner, if you guys are wondering portion sizes. I don't know how to explain to you, but that's quite a small little bowly. And then I've just got some chicken. All it has, by the way, is just like coat and cook, panko, no oil, just like flour and egg, and then some sour cream to dip it in. And then a really messy kitchen because I haven't cleaned. Just thought I'd show you guys the Christmas pajamas, although they don't fit. I didn't realize I'd thickened out that much from the lower half, but they're from Peter Alexander. I'm not going to be able to wear them until hopefully later this month. I'll be able to wear them. These are actually a really small though, because the shirt's like all good, fits like very spacious, but the pants are like really tight. But they've just got lots of different cats on them. They're very cute. And then the top just has like glitter and it says Meowie Christmas. pretty cute. Back out here again just to finish the vlog. Hazel just extracted my blackheads for me, which was nice. So yeah, I'm just gonna end the vlog here because I need to edit the vlog. It's like way too late for me to actually start editing, so that was poor judgment by me. I'm just gonna close this curtain because it's open. Anyway, I hope that you guys enjoyed the second episode of Vlogmas. Once again, let me know what you want to see. I got a lot of lovely comments on the first episode, so thank you guys. I'm glad that you're excited too. I'm gonna go and, yeah, like I said, edit this, go to sleep, and I will talk to you guys tomorrow. Bye.